Null isn't zero. It isn't empty. It's the absence of data. And if you don't handle it, your queries lie. Today, null, distinct, and order by. 3 tools. Clean results. Rule 1. You never test null with equals. Empstart equals null? That returns nothing. Even when the field is null, uses null to find them, is not null to skip them, every time. Want to show something instead of a blank? IsNull. 2 parts, the field and a replacement. IsNull emptitle quoted unknown. Every null turns into unknown in the output. Data untouched, display fixed. Same table, same job title listed 100 times, ugly. Add distinct after select and duplicates vanish. Select distinct emptitle from employee. Every title, exactly once. Results in random order. Add order by. Strings go A to Z. Numbers low to high, dates oldest to newest. Order by emplast. Sorted, instantly. Want reverse. Add DESC after the column. Order by emp salary by DESC. Highest paid first. Add a second column and SQL breaks ties for you. Order by emp title, emplast. One rule about placement. Order by is always the last line in your query. After where, after group by, always last. 3 tools. Null awareness. Distinct to dedupe. Order by to sort. Master these, your results go from messy to professional. Drop your favorite in the comments, like subscribe. See you in EP8.